My name is Rick Renner, and this is May 15th. And our gem today is called The Breakdown of Family Relationships. And the Holy Spirit prophesies in 2 Timothy 3, verse 2, that at the very end of the age, there will be a breakdown of family relationships. The Apostle Paul is writing under the influence of the Holy Spirit, and he says people will be without natural affection. This is the Greek word astorgos. Storgos describes devotion to one's family. If you put an A in front of it, it describes a lack of devotion to one's family, or it is the breakdown of family relationships. People who no longer sit at the table to eat a meal together, they wave at each other as they all get in different cars and go different directions. People who no longer are devoted to the nuclear family unit. The family unit has been broken down, it's been destroyed, it is disintegrating. And the Holy Spirit through Paul prophesies at the very end of the age, there will be a breakdown of family relationships across society. Is that happening? That's worth thinking about today.